Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
JetSuite.com, which flies to more than 2,000 airports, aggregates private jet flights with empty seats to offer daily, next-day deals. You can rent the entire plane, a max of 6 seats, starting at just $536 each way, which shakes out to less than $90 per person.
Take our lead.
8 Private jet. Roger Federer. Both top tennis stars Roger Federer and Rafael Nadal enjoy the perks of riding around with their very own private jets. For Roger, such a purchase was facilitated by his own court success throughout the years.
Take our lead.
The occupied fee is the same regardless of jet size, at $1,950 per hour. NetJets owners sign up for a 2-year, 2.5-year or 3-year commitment, depending on the size of the aircraft, and NetJets has a guaranteed buy-back option after that commitment is up.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
What does it cost? Normally, JetSuite sells memberships that start out around $50,000. That buys you a pre-blocked amount of flying hours depending on which plane you choose. At the moment, the cheapest rates are on their Phenom 100 aircraft and go for around $4,000 per hour plus airport fees.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Who can arrange a jet rental? Just about anyone can charter a private jet, provided they have the resources to do so. That means you could book a jet for a business trip. The reason could also be taking the family on a vacation.
Take our lead.
When you buy individual seats, you can experience the perks of flying private for a fraction of the cost of flying commercially, whether it's for first class or business class. All seats offered are scheduled and guaranteed to depart with unbeatable prices at each way.
Take our lead.
According to private jet charter company Air Charter Service, you can expect to pay between $1,300 and $3,000 per flying hour to charter a turboprop or smaller jet plane, which typically seats 4 to 6 passengers, between $4,000 and $8,000 per flying hour for a midsize jet, which typically accommodates up to 9 passengers.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
A private jet is more expensive than a first-class seat, which can run anywhere from $800 to thousands of dollars. According to Greg Richman, president of on-demand charter service Skyjet, price depends on the plane size. Light jets start at $2,800 per hour. Mid-size jets start at $3,800 per hour.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.